On this ride along, a bus stop is empty. An officer wears a smartwatch backwards, and another gives a gentle touch. On Thursday, October 9th, in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, an officer stopped a vehicle for a traffic infraction near the Gardens Mall.
Were you checking your mirrors at all? Did you happen to notice that I was right next to you when you illegally entered the intersection?
I just tried.
You had no right to turn there. You had a red light. There was a red arrow. There was a red left turn arrow when you entered the intersection while I was right next to you. Give me your license.
Just came.
License. Now, please. License now, please.
But I never moved.
Ma'am, I need your license now. Ma'am, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to give me your license or you're going to be placed under arrest. License, insurance, registration. Give me your license, insurance, registration, please. Ma'am, license, insurance, registration, please. Ma'am, I'm not going to argue with you. You have one more chance to give me your license, insurance, registration, or I'm going to pull you out of this car and you're going to be under arrest. Give it to me now. Gardens traffic 15. I'll take one more. She's refusing to identify herself.
It sounds like the woman is trying to say, since she didn't actually make the U-turn at the intersection during the red light, she didn't commit an infraction. But the officer wrote in his report that her rear tires had crossed the white stop bar, putting her vehicle well within the intersection, which seems to be, to this narrator, a clear non-criminal traffic violation.
License, insurance, registration, now. I told you what you did. I'm right next to you and you entered the intersection. You passed the white stop bar without. Ma'am, there was no one there. I was right next to you. All right.
Behind me. I was there before.
License, insurance, registration, do it now or you will be arrested. I'm not kidding. Give me your license, insurance, and registration.
I never
Okay.
drive off.
Where's your key? I'm turning your vehicle off. You're under arrest.
And there was so what? Because
Refusing to identify. I've asked you 4 times.
But I never drive off.
You're not giving me your identification. We're not playing this game. Give me your ID. Get out of the car right now. Get out of the car right now. Out of the car right now. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
The officer would get the handcuffs on her and escort her away, but she'd continue to argue.
But I never moved, sir.
No. The fact of the matter is that there's a solid white line that you went past and got into the sidewalk on a traffic stop. No. You don't have the right to enter an intersection on a red light. Doesn't matter where you're at.
Apologies to the viewer for this perfectly placed raindrop hogging the spotlight. We're going to skip ahead to avoid giving this attention seeker any more screen time.
Let's go. You're in the back of my car. I don't care who you have to talk to. You're not talking to them right now. You're under arrest.
For what?
For fail to identify. You're lawfully required to... Ma'am, you did. I have my camera. I was right next to you the whole time.
I never move. I stand right there.
No. I already explained to you what the lawful reason for the stop was. I'm not hearing your bullshit. We're not arguing anymore. You don't identify. So I have to enter your car to pull you out. We are done. Shut up. We're done talking.
What am I?
in the car right now. Sit down. We're going in the car. Sit in the car.
Sit
In the car.
Okay, I'm gonna go 70.
I apologize. She's 1015, failed to identify.
You wanna tow?
Yeah, we're towing it.
Like the channel? Subscribing makes this narrator's rainy day always sunny.
No wallet inside the purse? Any wallet? Yes, no? Can you see if she'll give you her name and date of birth, please?
You want to give us your name or date of birth yet or no?
No.
You don't want to give us your name and date of birth?
I don't have it, but I'm just asking a question. You know, you can't get that in rude. I never move. I met the time, but I never drive off.
Okay. So do you want to give us your name and date of birth?
I'm asking you, do I have to give it, but I never move.
You do have to give it.
You do have to
Is your
give it to
license
us.
in the car?
Where's your license? Language barrier?
What's your first name?
Oh,
What's your first name?
Linda.
Linda. What's your last name?
I'm lit.
Yeah, so are we. What's your last name?
She finally provided her full name, but when the officer asked for her date of birth, she went back to her arguing.
But I'm still asking a question.
What's your birthday?
Nobody answered.
Once we get this basic information, we'll get that.
Why I'm getting it?
Okay.
Listen, here's the thing. I'm going to explain something to you.
Yeah,
When you get pulled over
Yeah.
for a traffic violation, whether you say you did or didn't do it, that's for court, okay? But when you get pulled over by a police officer who's saying that it's for a lawful reason, you are required to identify yourself.
But the question I'm
The
asking.
problem is if you don't identify yourself, you don't provide a driver's license, or you don't give your name, your date of birth, anything that would identify you, you're now committing a crime.
But I'm asking that question. I never drove off.
And that's what court's for.
But,
Nobody said you drove off
But when I get arrested, I never drove
because you didn't
off.
identify yourself to him when he asked you to. But it doesn't matter. When you don't identify yourself, you don't say what your name is, your date of birth, or you don't provide a driver's license. That's the way it works.
The other officer had been listening to this conversation from the front seat
Okay.
and appeared to grow tired of it.
That's what court's for. I already explained
If
that.
you don't give us your ID right now, I'm going to add in multiple extra charges. I already told you what the reason for the stop was. There's a solid white bar on that ground over there that you rolled past on a red light.
But I
I
never
lawful.
moved, sir.
You did. I just said you
But I
moved.
never drive
Okay.
off.
It was a solid red arrow.
I never moved.
You didn't have the right to move into the intersection at all.
I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. Either you tell us where your ID is, or you give us your name and date of birth, or you're going to go down to the jail as Jane Doe, and you're going to sit there until you decide to produce your proper name and date of birth.
For what reason? But
I
I,
already
never
told
moved.
Because you're under arrest right now.
I had a lawful traffic stop. I'm a traffic officer. I know the traffic law. I asked you for your ID. You refused to give it to me, arguing that I didn't have a reason to stop you. I asked you to exit the vehicle. I had to go into your car, turn your car off myself, and then help you out. I gave you 15 lawful orders to do what I asked. I gave you every opportunity to make the right choice.
I do
What
that.
is your-
No,
what is your
wait. You
birthday?
just said something, but
What's
it's
your
not,
birthday?
that is not right.
Everything's recorded on body worn camera. What's your
But
birthday?
I'm telling you what happened. You
What
guys don't
is your
wanna
birthday?
believe. That is not fair.
What is your birthday?
I'm telling you that.
That's what court's for. I don't understand why you don't understand that. I'm not trying to sit out here and argue with you any more than I have to because I'm getting wet and you're getting wet. What is your birthday?
Real question. Do you have a driver's license at all? Yes or no?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so why can't you tell us what your information is?
What's your birthday?
But I'm never.
You got it. That's okay.
What's your birthday?
But nobody now give me no right.
She can just go down on whatever you
Yep,
have.
she's going to be as Jane Doe, and she'll stay there. We're going off now.
3 different officers asked you the same question.
My first time ever being pulled over, please.
Well, hopefully you learn your lesson.
She was charged with resisting without violence. She also got charged with tag attached not assigned when the officer ran her plate and it came back to a different vehicle. The officer also wrote her a ticket for the red light violation. She'd enter into a pre-trial agreement that required her to complete an anger management course and a consequences of crime class. Once finished, the assistant state attorney dropped the charges. When it came to the traffic ticket, she showed up for her court date, but the officer didn't, so the judge dismissed the ticket. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride along.